Today we'll do time speed distance. But PDF you are not a creator still. Okay. Another 2 minutes we'll start. So now, so the basics thing of time speed distance. Few terms we should know here. The first point, distance. Distance is equal to speed into time. If I need speed, we have to write distance by time. Distance by time. Then if I need time, I have to write it. This equation I can write it distance by speed. These are first three equation we will use in speed or distance speed concept. First write down these three equation and relationships I am going to tell you. Okay. Now here we have to talk about time. Important. Time may be sometimes in hours. Okay. Then speed should be in kilometer. We have to write it. If it is in hour, speed we have to write it in kilometer. Okay, kilometer per hour time. Okay, speed we have to write it. Then distance will be kilometer total. Speed will be tell me, reply all online students once. Yes, good. So speed should be, distance should be in kilometer. Then speed, how to write it? Kilometer per hour. This is the first equation. If second equation, if it is seconds, if it is time is in seconds, then distance should be in meter. Okay, distance should be in meter, then second, then this will be meter per second. Hello, Attend now. I will send you link. Just wait. I will send you link. Yesterday I uploaded it. It's on YouTube live. Yesterday. Today also YouTube live. I will upload it. Okay. Just you write on that. Now, the relationship. What is the relationship? See now, I will take one example. The relationship between distance, speed, and time. If distance is constant, if I take example, if distance is 100 kilometer we have to travel, the speed of the car or any object will be 20 kilometer per hour. Then how much time they will take, or how many hours they will take? 5 hours they will take. Like that. Next time also distance is 100 kilometer only. If speed is 25 kilometer per hour, 25 kilometer per hour, how many hours he will take? 4 hours. Which means if distance is constant, if speed increases, what happen time? Decreases. This concept is called inversely proportion. Okay, so first property, if distance is constant, speed is inversely proportion to time. Write on this property first. If distance is constant, speed is inversely proportion to time. That's the first concept. If distance is constant, speed is inversely proportion to time. Next, if time is constant, distance is directly proportion to speed, which means if I take one example, time I have to travel in 2 hours. If distance is in 100 kilometer, what's the speed? Speed will be 50 kilometer per hour. I need to travel in 2 hours only, but if it is distance is 200 kilometer, how much time it will take? 100 kilometer per hour you have to travel. If time is constant here, if distance is increases, time also increases. This concept is called directly proportion. Which means, what is the meaning of directly proportion? Means whatever you have distance ratio, it is equal to time ratio. That distance ratio and speed ratio will be 2:1. Here also you will get 2:1. So distance ratio is equal to speed ratio. That is called directly proportion. So if time is constant, distance is directly proportion to speed. That meaning is distance ratio is equal to speed ratio. As it is if speed is constant. Same thing, distance is directly proportion to time. Over. Now another important point you should know, conversion. meter, kilometer per hour to meter per second, and meter per second to kilometer per hour. Two main units we will use. Suppose I have kilometer per hour question, means for example 54 kilometer per hour I have. I want that number in meter per second. I want that number in meter per second. Then how to convert? Kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer means how many meters? 1000 meters. 1 hour means how many seconds? 3600 seconds. If I solve this equation, 2020 get cancelled, it will be 2 5s are 2 18s are. So we have to multiply it by 5 by 18. We have to multiply it by 5 by 18. I have kilometer per hour. To convert to meter per second, I have to multiply it by 5 by 18. Same thing if I do reverse. If I shift this number this side, this number this side, if I shift this number this side, then if I do that, then meter per second into 18 by 5 is equal to kilometer per hour. So to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we have to multiply it by 18 by 5. Write on this equation. Over? Yeah, they will give minutes also. If they give minutes, we have to convert to seconds. Then we have to do that. Yes. See this now. See this. First question. A train has to cover a distance of 900 km in 25 hours. What should be its average speed in meter per second? I want to find out. So I need to find out speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 900 km divided by 25 hours. But here I will get it is in distance is in kilometer, time is in hours. I will get kilometer per hour answer. But I want meter per second. How to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second? I have to multiply it by 5 by 18. I have to multiply it by 5 by 18. If I solve this equation, 18 ones are 18, 18 5s are 90. Again 25 ones are 25 2s are, then 2 into 5, 10 meter per second. Your answer will be 10 meter per second. Clear? First question. Is it? 4 members. Clear? Na? Tanu, is it clear for you? Mohammed, is it clear for you? Next question. A part of the journey is covered in 31.5 minutes at 80 km per hour. The remaining part in 60 minutes at 75 km per hour. The total distance of the journey. You try first, then I will explain. Try to do it. Try. You have to convert what? Here minutes we have. It is in kilometer. To convert minutes to hours, we have to divide it by 60. convert 31.5 minutes, you have to convert to hours, because speed it is in speed it is in kilometer per hour, time should be in hours. Do it. That is basic. First you understand, then we'll do it. A part of the journey covered 31.5 minutes in 80 km, remaining part in 16 minutes. First you do it basics. Do it. First you try. Any online students? Then how to solve this question I will explain. Good. So now I am going to solve this question. You may do like this. Basic method you may do like this. So a part of the journey covered 31.5 minutes. So 80 kilometer per hour means then 31.5 divided by 60 plus remaining part of the journey 60 minutes at 75 kilometer per hour. 16 minutes, 75 kilometer means 75 divided by 16 divided by 6. You have to do like this. But instead of doing like this, see now concept how to solve in exam point of view I am going to explain. It is basics. Tell me in 1 hour how many kilometer is traveling? In 1 hour 31.5 under approximately half an hour. Half an hour he may travel 40 point something. It is nearest to 40 plus. See 1 hour ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು 80 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಅನ್ ಅವರ್ 31.5 means approximately because all options are very far. Then I will take half an hour he may travel 40 plus kilometer. Then in 16 minutes means I will take it 15 minutes. It is very close. In 1 hour he is going 75 kilometer per hour. In half an hour 37 approximately. 37.5 actually. Okay, half an hour. Then in 15 minutes of that approximately 19 kilometer. It is nearest 19. So answer will be above 50. Above 50 means it is 40 plus 59. Above 59 it is, because I am taking time less. Both this case I am taking time less. Then answer will be increased. Understood, right? So answer will be 62. Is it clear? All online students reply. Is this concept all everyone using this concept? Clear? Try this. First you try this. Ranjit drives his car at an average speed of 50 km per hour and reaches his destination in 8 hours. Rahman covers the same distance in 5 hours. Ranjit increases his speed by 10 km per hour. Rahman increases his speed by 20 km per hour. Then what will be the difference between the time taken by them to reach the destination? You try first. Reply all online students also once. Read question properly and you write. First statement is traveling total 400 kilometer. Yes or no? According to first statement. Next he traveled in 5 hours. Same. Means same distance. Means 5 into 50. Okay, he is traveling. Now Ranjit increases his speed by same distance, you will get to know now. See, he is also traveling 8 into 50 means it will be same 50 into 8 400 kilometer. Yes or no? 400 kilometer is traveling. Who is that? Ranjit. Then Rahman is also traveling same distance in 5 hours. Then I can write it 400 divided by 5. That is 80 km per hour. I will repeat once again. See, first statement Ranjit. I am talking about Ranjit first. Then we'll talk about Rahman. Here both equations I will write. Distance, speed, time. For according to first equation, I know speed of the Ranjit, I know time. Speed of the Ranjit will be 50 km per hour. Then time he will take 8 hours. Then distance I can write it 400 km. Then Rahman also traveling 400 km only because same distance. But I know he traveling 5 hours. Then we know speed will be 80 km per hour. Now what is the question? If Ranjit increases his speed by 10 km per hour, now actually his speed will be 50 km per hour, Ranjit's speed. Now he is increased 10 km per hour means now his speed will be 60 km per hour. Okay, now his speed is 60 km per hour. Rahman is increased by 20 km per hour, which means now his speed is 100 km per hour. Now what's the question? Okay, what will be the difference between the time? Now how much time he will take? 400 divided by 60 he will take. Time I need to find out. 400 divided by 60. Okay, that is 40 by 60, that is 20 by 3. He will going 20 by 3 hours. He is going 100 and 400 means 4 hours. Okay, 400 km is going 100, 4 hours. The difference between this and this is how much? That's the question here. Okay, solve this equation and tell me answer. Convert to minutes. Tell all. How much you will get here? LCM will be 3. 20 minus 12. 8 by 3. 8 by 3 means 2, 3 2s are remaining 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 40 minutes. 2 hour 40 minutes is the difference. 2 by 3, see, 3 2s are 6. Remaining you have 2 by 3. 2 by 3 hours, but options are minutes. How to convert 2 by 3 to minutes means multiplied by 60. Okay, multiplied by 60. 3 1s are 3 2s are 20s are 20 into 2 40. 2 or 40 minutes is the difference. Is it clear? All online students once reply if it is clear. Good. Next you try. You try this question. Speed of the train is 1 by 6 times the speed of the car. The car can cover a distance of 486 km in 9 hours. Then find. Easy question, not so difficult question. It is easy question. Reply all online students also once. Say now this. The speed of the train is 2 1 by 6 times. First we can write it ratio of the speed between car and train. Yes or no? According to that statement, I can write it the speed ratio between train and car. Tell me what is the ratio between train and car? 2 1 by 6 means 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13 by 6, which means train speed is 13 by 6 of the car speed, which means train is to car will be 6 is to 13. Correct? Huh? Yes, sorry, 13 is to 6. Yes, good. Yes, 13 is to 6. The ratio. Train is to car. I want, not car is to train. So according to the statement, train is 13 by 6 of car. Okay, then train is to car will be 13 is to 6. Okay, this is the ratio. This is what ratio? Speed ratio. A car can cover a distance of 486 km in 9 hours. See, in time, speed, distance, we have 3 variables only. That is time, distance, speed. If I know 2 variables, I can find out third variable. I have here distance, I have here time. Can I find out speed of that car? Okay, I can find out. That is 486 divided by 9. 450 plus 36. 45 plus 4. 49. Understood, right? How I am doing? Speed of the car. This is 486 divided by 9. But I am writing in my mind 450 plus 36. 450 is 50 time. If I solve that equation, then 36 is how many times? 4 times. 54. You will get 54, not 49. 54 you will get. Because 450 it is. Okay, 450 it is. So 54 will be the speed of the car. Can I write it is equal to 6 parts? It is equal to 6 parts because speed of the car is 6 parts here. 6 parts is equal to 54. 1 part is equal to 9. 13 parts is equal to 13 nines. What is 13 nines? 117. But they're not asking car train speed. Okay, they're asking distance train covered in how many hours. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed of the train is 117 kilometer. It is in traveling in 6 hours, which means 117 into 6 is the answer. Okay, 117 into 6 is the answer. So if I multiply that, I will get answer. Okay, 7 6 are 42. So I have my all options are 42. So 600 plus 17 6 are 102. Then total answer will be 702. Is it clear? Multiply that once again, that you can get. You will get answer. Clear? This concept you understood, right? Okay, next same type question. Same type question. Same type question. You do it. Same type question as it is, but you do it. Try all. It is only. We know person cover 5 by 18 of the total journey by train, 7 by 20 by bus. Can you assume distance will be 18 and 20 LCM instead of using basic method? But you try. First I will explain, then you will understand. See now, I will do it first. Basic method, if I do basic method, A person cover 5 by 18 of the total journey by train, 7 by 20 by bus, 26 2 by 3% of the total journey by car, and the remaining 1330 meter on foot. First write down this fraction value of 26 2 by 3 percentage. Good. 20 not 3, it is 300 I think. If we do that. Percentage, because percentage you have that. 26 2 by 3 percentage. This is not percentage, this is a fraction value. This is percentage. So 26 2 by 3 percentage means 1 by 5 plus 1 by 16. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 16. Okay, then 16 plus 1. Say now, how to do it, that I will explain. That also you can do it. Otherwise, if I do basic method, you should know 26 2 by 3 percentage. 26 2 by 3 percentage. Percentage means divided by 100. You have to write it. 26 3 is 78 plus 2 80 by 3 by 100. By 100 means it will come like this. Okay, if I solve this equation, you will get 8 by 30. Another way of doing this calculation, whenever you will get 26 2 by 3 percentage means, can I write this equation 25 or 20 percentage plus 6.66 percentage? 2 by 3 means 0.66. 20 percentage is 1 by 5. 6.66 is, we know, 1 by 50. Okay, we can do this. This also you will get same answer. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So how much you got it previously? 8 by 30. 8 by 30 means, can I write 4 by 15? Okay, 8 by 30 means 4 by 15. Okay, of the total journey by car, remaining journey. So see, I will write it here, 4 by 15, remember it. So first is traveling in a train. Train is traveling 5 by 18. Then is bus is traveling 7 by 20. Then car is traveling, how much you got it? 4 by 15. Remaining on foot, how much? 1330 meter. Okay, remaining by foot 1330 meter. Now you can assume x. Instead of x, if I take this is traveling total. Can I assume LCM of 18, 20, 15 will be the total distance? Because of the total journey, 18 is the total journey. Of the total journey, 20 is the total journey. So 18, 20 LCM is 180. Even 180 it will come from 15 ones also. 180 is the LCM. So I am assuming total is journeying 180. Then tell me, in train how much is traveling? 5 by 18 of 180 means 50. Okay, 50 meter is traveling by train, or kilometer, whatever it may be. So a kilometer. So it is in meter. It is in meter. We have to, okay, you can convert to kilometer, then divided by 1000. Okay, later we can do that. Now try. How much is traveling bus? How much is traveling car? Try and answer. Try to write. First you try to tell this. Tell me this how much. I am assuming meter it is. Okay, how much it is? Bus how much? 20, 180 means it is 9 times 9 sevens are 63 meter. I am assuming. Parts it actually 63x or 63 parts. 15 180 means 15 how many times? 12. 12 fours are 48. Out of 180, 50 is traveling by train. Out of 180 is traveling 63 by bus. Out of 180 is traveling 48 by car. Add it is remaining, you tell. 50 plus 60, 110. 110 plus 40, 1, yeah. So 161 you will get. Remaining out of 180, remaining will be how much? 19 parts is traveling by foot. Yes or no? Can I write now 19 parts is equal to 133? Okay, 19 parts is equal to 19 parts is equal to 1330. I have to find out 180 parts because total distance I have to find out. Then we'll convert it to kilometers. Okay, now do it this. 19 parts is equal to that. Find the total journey. I need to find out 180 multiple. Also I can check it. 180 multiple. Here I have two options. That's why I'm not writing here. Even three options. 180 multiple. Or except 6 plus 2 8. Except that. All options are 180 multiple only here except T. Multiply that 19 how many times? 7 means 70. 70 into 180. Then convert it to kilometer. Okay, that will be your answer. Is it clear? All online students, let me know once if it is clear. Good morning, Arish and Navneet. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವ ಇದು? Understood, right? Next question you see. This question. Observe here. You try to do it, this question. The ratio between the speeds of the two trains is 2:5. The first train covered 350 km in 5 hours. Can I find out speed of the train? That train? Okay, what is that train speed? 70 km per hour. Can I rate it that is 2 trains? First train it is 2 parts is equal to 70. Then 1 part is equal to 35. Then 5 parts I can find out. 5 parts is equal to 35 into 5. Once, how much? 75. Again this. 35, right? 1 part. 35 into 5. 150 plus 25.
105.
35. Huh? Difference, okay. Then I asking difference. Huh? Okay. Then means that train speed is 170. Other difference directly 3 parts you can find out. 35 into 3. Good. The ratio between the speed of the two trains is 2:5. If first train cover 350 km in 5 hours, then difference between the speed of the both the train they are asking. Directly ratio will be 3. 3 multiple 1 plus 6 7 plus 5. All options are 3 multiple. This.
Yes.
So we have to think. Tell me.
105. Sir.
Yeah, 105. Got it? This answer? No need to solve. This you will know. Next question. You solve this. The page takes 50 seconds to cross a rectangular field. This will talk late because mensuration ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್. ಇದು mensuration concept. This will talk late. Tell me. No. So it's all this. If she is there, she will ask that. Okay, you think this question. Same destination. What is the meaning of that? If destination is same, means what is the meaning? Yeah, same distance. What is the relationships? Yes, the distance constant means what? What is the relation? Remaining variables.
Distance is directly proportional to speed.
No, if distance is constant, it is inversely proportional to speed. Time is inversely proportional to speed. So that you can write it directly. So if the person increases his speed 83 1 by 3 percentage means 5 by 6. 83.33 percentage is 5 by 6. Otherwise if we do basic method also we will get same. 83 1 by 3 percentage means divided by 100. If you convert you will get 5 by 6. Increases they are given. Okay, increases. Usually he is going 6 km per hour. Now he is increased 5 km per hour, which means he is now going 11. It is the initial speed, it is the final speed. Understood, right? Now it is a speed ratio. Can I write time ratio will be inverse of speed? 1 by 6 is to 1 by 11. If we do cross multiplication, we will get 11 is to 6. Okay, now the question is how much time is reduced? Because if speed increases, definitely time will be reduces. So 11 is initially is going 11 hours or 11 minutes, whatever that. Now he is going in 6 minutes. Now he reduces the time by how much? 5 by 11. We know 1 by 11 is 9.09. 5 by 11 is 45.45. That will be your answer. Over now. You try this question. Try this. I will give a time. Same type question. Tell me. Yes, same thing. Usual speed you have to find out. Try. Distance is constant. Okay, good. Others also reply. Any online students? But the answer. Say this answer, how to solve it. While traveling from office to home, Giri's car got some problem. It took 16 2 by 3 more time. Time they are given. Then I need to find out usual speed. I need to find out 16 2 by 3% means 16.66. So what is 16.66 in fraction? 1 by 6, 16.66. Okay, 1 by 6. Usually is taking 6 hours. Now you will take 7 hours. Speed ratio will be 7 is to 6. Okay, speed ratio will be 7 is to 6. Then usually the speed will be decreased here, because time you will take more, means 1 by 7 into 100. Clear? Anyone? Same question it is. Walking 60 percentage of his usual speed, man reaches his destination in 1 hour 40 minutes late. First 60 percentage means 3 by 5. Usual speed, walking usual speed, usually is going 5 kilometer per hour, but now he is going 60 percentage of this, which means 3 kilometer per hour is going now. It is a speed, usual speed is first, now is new speed, then time ratio will be 3 is to 5. Usually he will go 3 minutes, now he is going in 5 minutes, which means he is going how much minutes extra? 2 parts. It is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes, I can write it in minutes, 100 minutes. 2 parts is equal to 100 minutes, 1 part is equal to 50 minutes. Then his usual time I want 50 into 3, 150 minutes. 150 minutes if I convert to hours, divided by 60 I have to do 2 hour 30 minutes. 2 hour 30 minutes means 2.5 hours. 2 hour 30 minutes. 2 hour 30 minutes means 30 divided by 1, 1 by 2. That will be 2.5 hours. Is it clear? Simple concept it is. Yes. Over this concept. Try same type concept, same type of question. A person covers certain distance with a certain speed. If he reduces his speed by 16.25 percentage, then he will be 5. Same question. Only you have to know what is 16.25 percentage. What is the fraction value of 16.25? What is 1 by 15? 1 by say that you don't have directly. Indirectly you have. Can I write that equation? 1 by 10 plus 1 by 6, 1 by 16, 1 by 10, 6.25 percentage. Okay, that equation how to write it, say now. Basic method at least do it. 16.25 means 16 1 by 4. Basic method. It is a basic method. Then if you don't know that 0.25 row number, only one number I have 0.25, 6.25 percentage. 16.25 I don't have, but 6.25 I have number. Okay, the value of 6.25 will be 1 by 16. Okay, that I can write it 10 percentage plus 6.25 is 1 by 16. 10% means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 16 you can do it. Otherwise you can convert this number both. Tell me what is the fraction value if you do it. Do and tell me. How much you will get? Good, Navneet. That's right. How much you will get? Tell me. Do it basics. 16 for the 64 plus 165 divided by 400. You do it basics. Otherwise, you can write it 1 by 10. 6.25 percentage is 1 by 16. You can do this also at least. 13, 80. Now he reduced it is. It is reduced. Okay. Which means initial his speed is 80 km per hour. Now he is reduced 13 km per hour. Which means now he is going in which speed? 67 km per hour. Then reverse 67 is to 80. 13 parts is equal to 52 means 5.2 minutes. I need to find the time taken to cover the distance now. Now means 80 parts. Time I need to find out 80 parts. Just you find out and tell me answer. That will be your answer. Clear? How much? 32 now? 80 parts. 13 fours are calculate 52.4 into 80. 32.4 into 80. You have to find out now time how much. 13 parts is equal to 52. 1 part is equal to 0.4, right? Then 80 parts I need to find out 80 into 0.4. 8 fours are 32. We'll get answer will be 32. Clear?
13 parts is 5.2 minutes.
13 but difference time 5.2, then 1 part is equal to 0.4, then 80 parts is equal to how much? Same type of question, this you can solve it. I will leave that, but you can try. One is it is also same thing that you can also try. Same questions I will skip it. If it is different question I will take. Man-hour distance 3 hours minutes. If he walks 5 km, he cover the same distance. Then time same question. But will you try? A man cover a certain distance in 3 hours. I think 3 hours minutes ಏನೋದು question I think 5 minutes or 3 minutes ಏನೋ ಇದೆಯಾ. I need to check PDF. 3 hours. If you walk at the rate of 5 km per hour, if you cover the same distance, I think it's only 3 hours. I think no minutes. I think let's check it. If it is minutes, I will check it. If it is not option, which means initially is going 5 km per hour, then he reach 3 hours. Now if we go 24 km per hour, how much time it will take? That is the question. Initially is going 5 km per hour. How many minutes otherwise? I think it is minutes. 3 minutes? No, maybe. Yeah, it's minutes. It is minutes only, I think. 3 minutes. If he is going 5 km per hour, he reach 3 minutes. If we go 24 km per hour, how much time, minutes it will take? That's the question, I think. Otherwise, I will check it. Question exactly. Wait. That PDF I will check. And that question 36 minutes. Yeah, 3 hour 36 minutes. 3 hour 36 minutes. The question. Yeah. 3 hour 36 minutes. Can you convert to minutes completely? 3 hour means 180. 36 minutes means again add 180 plus 36. That will be 216. Which means the speed ratio will be 5:24. Initially he is going 5 km per hour. Now he is going 24 km per hour. The speed ratio will be 5:24. Then time ratio will be 24:5. Time ratio will be 24:5. Means initially you take 24 minutes, now you take 5 minutes only, the difference of the time. Otherwise I can write it no need difference. Here I can convert directly this, because initial time also I know. Initial time will be 216. Yes or no? 24 parts is equal to 216. One part is equal to 240 minus 24, 19. One part is equal to 19. Then 19 into 5. 19 5s. Tell me. Yeah, sorry, 19. Oh, I'm writing 19. 9 is 24. 240 minus 1. I mean 9. One part is equal to 9. 9 into 5. 45 minutes is taking. Now, that will be your answer. Is it clear? So comparison only, just comparison. You should know ratio method only. Whatever we are doing here now, ratio method till now. Clear this? Understood? Next. To try this. Two cyclists X and Y start the same time from place A and go towards place B at the speed of 6 km per hour and 8 km per hour respectively, despite stopping for 15 minutes during the journey. Y reaches 10 minutes earlier than X. Okay. ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್? ವೈ ಸ್ಟಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 25 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸಿ ಇಫ್ he does not stop there that 15 minutes, if he stop also he reaches 10 minutes early. If he is not stop in that place, he may reach 15 minutes again that speed, which means 25 minutes. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿ ಅವ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆದರೂ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಗ ಹೋದ. ಇಫ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ that 15 minutes also it is increased here, which means he may reach 25 minutes early. Same concept remaining. Speed ratio, you know, time ratio rated, because same place, X and Y is the same place. Two cyclists X and Y start the same time it is, not same this one, same time, but whether they reach same time or not, let's see. A and go towards B at a speed of 6 km and 8 km. Speed ratio will be 6 and 8, means that I know original speed is 6, original speed is 8. Can I write the ratio will be 3:4? It is a speed ratio 3:4. Now time ratio will be 4:3, because both are traveling same distance. X and Y, both are traveling X and Y only, so time is 4:3, which means he can go 4 minutes, he can go 3 minutes. It is X, it is Y. Can I write Y reaches 1 minute early? Y reaches 1 minute early. Okay. Can I write one part is equal to total 25 minutes? One part is equal to 25 minutes. Now I need to find out A. Either you can take it A side or B side. One part is equal to 25. 4 parts is equal to 100 minutes. 3 parts is equal to 75 minutes. But what they are asking, they are not asking time, they are asking distance. Distance means speed into time. This person original speed will be 6 km per hour. That time he will take 100 minutes. 100 minutes means divided by 60. Now 6 ones are 6 tens are. Then is this how much? How many kilometer total? 10 kilometer total. Understood? Online students reply once if it is clear. Okay, clear now? Should we move for next? Is it writing over? Write on this. After this module I will go for coding and decoding also. Try this same concept. Anyone? Two races run at a speed 100 minutes, 100 meter per minute and 124 meter per minute respectively. If the second race, same concept, whatever it may be, this one, same concept. Okay. Anyone answer? 6. Someone said answer is right. Yes. Say now. Two races run 100 meter per minute and 120 meter per minute respectively. The second racer takes 10 minutes less than the first. Same ratio will be 5:6. Correct?
2 kilometers.
Okay, let's see it. 5:6 is the speed ratio. Okay, then time races 10 minutes less than the first. Time ratio will be 6:5. Time ratio will be 6. Original speed is 100 meter per minute is the speed. Is the speed is 120 meter per minute. Per minute it is. Per minute. Remember that. Because actually ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅದು. ಬಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 5:6 ಓನ್ಲಿ. Here 6:5. Difference will be, here difference will be 1 part. 1 part is equal to 10 minutes means 6 parts is equal to how much? 60 minutes. And 1 hour. 1 hour. Now you convert this, you can take this side, 100 meter per minute. Then to convert to seconds, what we have to do it? Second, convert to seconds ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್, yes, you have to convert to that seconds. So convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. See, how to do it means, if you have hours to minutes convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಅವರ್ಸ್ನ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 60. ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟು. ಅರ್ಥದ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಗ್ ಇಂಟು ಬಿಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ division. Here I have minutes, I have to go for seconds, you have to reduce. Understood, right? Then do it. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? How much will you get? 6, huh? Do it slow, no problem. Six, right? Okay, say now. Here 1 part is equal to 10, 6 parts is equal to 60, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. 60 into 100, 6000. meter. 6000 meter means if I convert to kilometer, I will get answer 6 kilometer. Here also minutes is there, here also minutes there, cancel agutalva. So directly no need to take 6000, you can write it 6000 meter. 6000 meter means it will be 6, okay, into 1 hour it is. Solve this last question, this model. Next model, trains concept, big concept, I will take it. This one concept, take it, we'll solve it. Same concept, you try. It's homework, just you can try it.